Hello, and welcome to Sales Navigator's Getting Started Guide. In this video, we will walk you through getting started with Sales Navigator Universal by discussing important information about importing data, navigating the main menu, and more. Upon launching Sales Navigator, the first thing you will need to do is sign in or sign up. Now that you have logged into Sales Navigator, the first thing you will see is the map with your contact pins and location-based appointments showing as a route. At the bottom of the screen is a menu bar with two icons and a date between them. The date signifies which day's appointments and meeting tasks you are viewing on the map. Today's date is shown in red, while future dates are shown in white. On the left-hand side of the date is the menu icon. Tap here to access all of Sales Navigator's features. If you would like to have quick access to the menu while you are working on the map, you can drag the menu slowly to the left and a smaller menu will appear on the screen. To the right of the date is the Map Settings icon. Here you can access map settings such as standard or hybrid map view. You can also choose to work in miles or kilometers, turn on and off points of interest or buildings. Buildings are shown in 3D mode. To access 3D mode, you can swipe up on the map with 2 fingers in the standard map view. Also, you can see when I zoomed in, there is text below the pin. You can edit the color and text size in the map settings as well. Lastly, you can filter the data on the map by address labels. For example, if you do not want to see data mapped by home addresses, you can tap it to turn it off. Above the map settings icon are the current location and radial search quick buttons. We will discuss more about the radial search icon in a subsequent video in this series. Now that we have gone through the icons around the home screen, let's take a look at the menu bar and walk through some of Sales Navigator's features. At the top of the menu bar, you will see your account information. To view more information about your account, you can tap the icon next to your name. Here you can view your plan usage, upgrade your account, set your caller ID, or sign out. With Sales Navigator's new menu structure, we wanted to make it easy to get back to the main menu, even if you are 2 taps deep. Therefore, you can tap and hold on the back button anytime to quickly open the main menu. Back at the main menu, below the account information, is where you can set the date and date range you would like to work with. For example, I can set the date to March 23rd and the date range to a calendar quarter. By doing this, I can go back to the main menu, open my task list, and the list will be focused on March 23rd. Similarly, if I go back to the main menu and open the trips menu, I can see that I have an upcoming trip in Houston. So if I go back to the map, I can see my trip for that day with the route drawn between the stops. Looking at the map, you can also see that the appointment flags for March are still showing on the map since the date range is set to a calendar quarter. Except now, instead of showing the time of the appointment, they show the date. To see a list of contacts I have imported, I can go back to the main menu and tap List by Name. I can also go to the Groups menu and turn on and off specific groups to filter contacts on the map. Back in the main menu, I will cover the last 3 menu items. First, all Sales Navigator plans offer voice over IP calling minutes each month. You can use the calling feature by tapping the Call menu item. You can also set up your caller ID in the account settings area. Next is Recent Activity, where you can see all of your completed tasks and appointments. Last is the Settings menu. Here you can import or remove contacts and set your app preferences such as language and calendar syncing. Here you can also view more support documentation on our website or quickly contact our app support team. Thanks for watching our Sales Navigator Getting Started guide. Please continue our roadmap series for more in-depth feature discussions. If you have any other questions, please contact us at appsupport@thecaseygroup.com or visit our website's support section at www.salesnavigatorapp.com/support.